It's noon on Wednesday, August 4th, 2021. I'm aboard Amtrak Pacific Surfliner number 768, taking it from San Clemente Pier to San Diego. Next stop will be Solana Beach, California at 12:08 p.m. This train originated in San Luis Obispo at 4 a.m. this morning. Got a Siemens Charger locomotive with a Cummins engine, and maybe, haven't counted the cars, I think probably 5 cars, including one business class car. And there's the Pacific Ocean out there. Our conductor said departing San Clemente Pier we had 230 passengers. We're due in San Diego at 12:50 p.m. today.
Now arriving Solana Beach, folks. For those of you exiting here, make your way downstairs toward the lower levels. Prepare to exit the train. Solana Beach Station. We're now arriving.
We've been going up as fast as 90 miles an hour. This is Solana Beach. It's 11:59 a.m. We're early. We're not due to leave here till 12:08 p.m. Again, this is Amtrak southbound Pacific Surfliner train number 768, Solana Beach, California, August 4th, 2021, over and out.